What are the origins and remedies of hiccups? We understand what hiccups are, however not why they happen. Every one of us has a level plate of muscle just underneath our lungs, isolating our chest from our mid-region. It's known as the stomach, and it encourages us to inhale. When it moves to descend, it makes the lungs get in air through the nose and mouth. Also, when it moves upward, it powers the ventilate of our lungs. The development of the stomach is coordinated by the mind, which imparts signs down nerves that end in the stomach. A hiccup happens when the cerebrum imparts a sign for the stomach to move strongly descending, abruptly maneuvering a great deal of air into the rear of the throat. The abrupt change in weight makes a tight zone in the throat incidentally snap shut, causing the hic sound of a hiccup. Why the cerebrum imparts the signs that cause hiccups, nonetheless, is a secret. Hiccups are monotonous, wild compressions of the stomach muscle. Your stomach is the muscle just underneath your lungs. It denotes the limit between your chest and midsection. The stomach controls relaxing. At the point when your stomach gets, your lungs take in oxygen. At the point when your stomach unwinds, your lungs discharge carbon dioxide. The stomach contracting out of cadence causes hiccups. Every fit of the stomach makes the larynx and vocal strings close abruptly. This outcome is an unexpected surge of air into the lungs. Your body responds with a heave or peep, making the sound attribute of hiccups. There is a diaphragm in the middle of our chest and stomach which is up and down when we breathe. Hiccup is the reflex action by which the body protects itself. There is a diaphragm in the middle of our chest and abdomen which is up and down when we breathe. This diaphragm moves downwards when we breathe. It presses the stomach and goes out while exhaling. Similarly, this diaphragm keeps moving down and the breathing process continues without sound when we eat something that causes acidity or gas. Then it shrinks, thus going into the lungs. The air starts to produce a strange sound that we call hiccups. Sometimes even after drinking alcohol or having a tumor, this diaphragm shrinks, and hiccups begin. Drinking cold water reduces the excitement in the diaphragm and it starts up and down in a normal way. The most common cause of triggers for hiccups that last less than 48 hours include 1. Drinking carbonated beverages. 2. Drinking too much alcohol. 3. Eating too much. 4. Excitement or emotional stress. 5. Sudden temperature changes. 6. Swallowing air with chewing gum or sucking on candy. Hiccups that last more than 48 hours are classified by the kind of aggravation that caused the scene. Most of the constant hiccups are brought about by injury or aggravation to either the vague or paretic nerve. The vague and paretic nerves control the development of your stomach. These nerves might be influenced by things you should do to avoid or eliminate hiccups. 1. Breathe into a paper bag, do not put it over your head. 2. Pull your knees up to your chest and lean forward. 3. Sip ice-cold water. 4. Swallow some granulated sugar. 5. Bite on a lemon or taste vinegar. 6. Hold your breath for a short time. Will the hiccup be a sign of something serious? Sometimes, but not often, the persistence of hiccups can suggest the existence of another medical condition. Some of the conditions for which continued hiccups can be a symptom include diaphragm pleurisy, pneumonia, uremia, alcoholism, stomach or esophagus disorders, and intestinal disease. Why do I get hiccup after I eat? Anything that triggers your stomach to get bigger than normal, distension, will induce hiccups. Your gut is right behind your diaphragm on your left hand. Distension can cause hiccups by pressing or irritating your diaphragm. Stuff that can induce distension in the stomach to include 1. At one time, eat a lot of food. 2. Eating food really soon. 3. Swallowing air, aerophagia, particularly while chewing or talking while feeding. 4. Get gas in the stomach by consuming carbonated drinks. 5. Drinking a lot of alcohol, particularly beer, for a short period. What are the drinks that support hiccups? Drink a glass of warm water very gently, without breathing, all the way down. Take a thin slice of lemon, put it on the lips, and suck it like a sweet one. Burping. Some people notice that if they drink a fizzy drink and burp, their hiccups go down. However, some doctors caution that sodas can cause hiccups as well. Thanks for watching it. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Like it and subscribe to Natural Heal and Cure.